Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. In this mini-series of awesome Waves audio plugins, I'm going to show you a plugin that can do this
MRC.FM
to any voiceover. Yes, it's really, really cool. And if you like audio production tips and tricks, be sure to like this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. If you never want to miss another audio production tutorial, ding the bell as well. So it's Waves OVox, Vocal ReSynthesis. It's a brilliant plugin, and if you want to get 10% off this plugin, use my link mrc.fm/waves. So by default, the plugin does this to a voice,
MRC.FM,
and then switching that off, mrc.fm. As you can hear, it's just me doing a voiceover. Now, this is the best plugin I know to make awesome jingles with one click. Literally one click. I've covered this in depth before. I've done a review video before, but now I wanted to share with you my 8 or possibly more favorite presets inside OVox to instantly create great jingles. Most of them you'll find when you load up inside the Vocoding section. And the first one I'm going to go for is Around the World. Let's play that.
MRC.FM.
Kind of named after a famous track, I believe, and just sounds awesome. I just really like that one. The next one I'm going to look at is Away I Go. It's the 4th one down in the vocoding section. It's awesome, got some great harmonies to it. So again, you can use these for radio station IDs, DJ drops, and so much more. Let's find Blake's. That is my number 3. It's the preset called Blake's.
MRC.FM.
Really, really awesome. It sounds like you're singing. Remember, we started with this, MRC, and we got
.FM.
that after adding OVox. Absolutely insane. On to the next one inside the vocoding section, and that is also Boards right next door.
MRC.FM.
And you kind of have a bit of a tinkly musical note going on behind, or many musical notes going on behind, which really adds to the kind of musical jingle feel of it. Okay, another one I like, again, I think named after a pretty well-known music track, Doing It Right. Let's listen to this.
MRC.FM.
Awesome. And I mean, this is brilliant. This can be your radio station ID or logo or call sign. I just think it's absolutely fantastic. Another one that really hits home for me is Nights. It's called Nights with a K, Nights.
MRC.FM.
Very straightforward and easy. Could use it for an announcement, maybe at a train station. Let's try that. The next train is for London Cannon Street.
The next train is for London Cannon Street.
Yeah, that works pretty well, doesn't it? Anyway, back to the subject at hand. Let's move on to Mellow Love. It's called Mellow Love, and it's just here.
MRC.FM.
Really love the echo on the end of that one. We've also got Robotnic under vocoding. Let's find Robotnic if you like a robot voice.
MRC.FM.
And then we could just say something else like robots will eventually take over humanity. And play that back.
Robots will eventually take over humanity.
Not too bad at all, is it? So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different plugins. If you'd like to know them, they're Around the World, Away I Go, Blake's, Boards, Doing It Right, Nights, Mellow Love, and Robotnic. And you'll find them all in the load section under the vocoding area. But I wanted to give you one extra preset as a kind of bonus preset that I really like. If you want to keep that voice natural and move it away from something like this,
MRC.FM.
to something like this, MRC.FM, but maybe with a little bit of extra flavor to it, then you want to go into load and you want to go to doubler, and added sub will really boof up the bass on your voice. Have a listen to what it does. MRC.FM. So you just got that woo, woo, woo underneath. So MRC, and then the original MRC with the doubler on, MRC.FM. And that preset is called added sub under doubler. So if you're already convinced you need to have this in your audio production arsenal, go and use my 10% off link. It's exclusive to that link, mrc.fm/waves. That is mrc.fm/waves. And let me know in the comments down below, how are you going to be using this plugin?